Hello. Today the topic of my presentation is Introduction to Control Systems. A control system is a system which provides the desired response by controlling the output. The following figure shows that simple block diagram of a control system. Here the control system is represented by a single block. The output is controlled by varying the input. The control system got this name. We will vary this input with some mechanism. In the next section, an open loop and closed loop system, we will study the details about the blocks inside the control system and how to vary this input in order to get the desired response. Examples: traffic light control system and washing machine. Traffic light control system is an example of control system. Here a sequence of input signal is applied to this control system and the output is one of the three lights that will be on for some duration of time. During this time, the other two lights will be off. Based on the traffic study at a particular junction, the on and off time of the lights can be determined. Accordingly, the output signal controls the input signal controls the output. So the traffic lights control system operates on time basis. Classification of control systems. Based on some parameters, we can classify the control systems into the following ways: continuous time and discrete time control systems. Control systems can be classified as continuous time control systems and discrete time control systems based on the type of the signal used. In continuous time control systems, all the signals are continuous in time, but in discrete time control systems, there exist one or more discrete time signals. Next is Siso and Nemo control systems. Control systems can be classified as Siso control systems and Nemo control systems based on the number of inputs and output present. Siso or single input and single output control systems have one input and one output, whereas Nemo or multiple input and multiple output control systems have more than one input and more than one output. Then open loop and closed loop control systems. Control systems can be classified as open loop system and closed loop systems based on the feedback path. In open loop systems, output is not feedback to the input, so the control action is independent of the desired output. The following figure shows the block diagram of a open loop control system. Here an input is applied to a controller and it produces a actuating signal or controlling signal. This signal is given to a input to a plant or process which is to be controlled. So the plant produces an output which is controlled. The traffic light control system which we discussed earlier is an example of an open loop control systems. In closed loop control system, output is feedback to input, so the control action is dependent on the desired output. The following figure shows the block diagram of negative feedback closed loop control system. The error detector produces an error signal which is the difference between input and the feedback signal. This feedback signal is obtained from the block, that is feedback element, by considering the output of overall system as an input to this block. Instead of direct input, the error signal is applied as an input to a controller. So the controller produces an actuating signal which controls the plant. This in this contribution in this combination, the output of a control system is adjusted automatically till we get the desired response. Hence, the closed loop control systems are also called as automatic control system. Traffic light control system having sensor at the input is an example of closed loop control system. Thank you.